Morning guys, I'm working here today at the Myattsfield Winery. Beautiful this time of the year, so if you're ever out this way, come up and have a look, mate. It's amazing. Got even an electric charger here to charge your EV, which is a good thing. Just putting in a new hot water system today. Old Super X sort of thing, 3-phase, just changing that over, no worries. When I turned it on, the water was actually running through the system somewhere. So I checked out what taps were on, and ended up, there were the two hot taps in each toilet were just on, so I shut them off. But underneath, mate, the Flexis were absolutely stuffed on both of them too. So there's two sets, and there's just all of them are just, I don't know, about maybe 3-4 weeks from going. They've had really high pressure here. We sorted that out about a year and a bit or so ago. So anyway, we'll sort all those out today, get them all fresh and back to normal again. So they're nice and safe. All right, I'll see you on the other side. So all sorted. So it's very important, people. Two things you got to check. First of all, you got to check your Flexis. Just go have a look under the basins, the kitchen sinks and stuff. Just check that they're not on the way out, and if they are, get your local plumber to sort them out. Second thing you got to check out is the Myattsfield Winery. Come up now. A beautiful time of the year. Great wines and stuff here. So great guy who runs the show, Josh. So yeah, come up and meet him, and I'll catch you later. See you later.